Hey y'all, MeepLoaf and Carol here, and today we're opening a Pikachu V-Box, which has shining fates. Cool, let's get into it, right Carol?
Yes, let's see if we can ever pull that Charizard.
Yes, that would be very nice, Carol, but I don't think we will.
Not with that attitude.
Hey, I'm just saying, the pull rates are very low. Well, I'm opening this, guys.
You still got quite a bit of shining fates to open too.
We do. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share if you're enjoying it. Let's open this thing up. How do I open it? Guys, we're having troubles. Ah, we did it. Yeah, okay, guys, we ain't getting that code out, but... And there's the Pikachu card. Put that to the side very gently. And put this sick Pikachu card in the back. We don't need double Pikachus. Oh, there's that fourth pack. Yeah, the fourth pack slid behind our other pack, so... Our other thing, so... That was scary for me. I thought we got ripped off.
But all 4 packs are there, like I thought.
Yep. So here are 4 packs. 2 Charizard packs. Yay.
We'll save those till last.
Yeah. Have to say, go with the worst shiny first. Let's get into it, Carl.
Good luck.
Hopefully we will have good luck. Hopefully those words of encouragement reach the pack and it tells it to give us something good. White code like always. And let's get into it, guys. Is that 4? Yeah, it is, Carl. And so we have a Psychic Energy. I have a Cramorant, a Ball Guy, a Dartrix, a Nickit, a Horsey, a Snom, a Morpeko, a Cacnea, a Shining Rare Yveltal.
That's an amazing rare, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, Carl. But let's see what we got behind. Oh! Guys, I got a double hitter.
Very nice.
Oh. I've never seen that Indeedee card, so... Guys, we already got like 4 pulls today. Jeepers. Ah! We're having an avalanche. Don't worry, guys. I got this. It's okay. Don't need to attack me. Okay, on to the second pack. Is it just me? Or does it get on everyone's nerves when people do flip it or rip it? Let me know down in the comments because I get very annoyed when I see people rip amazing cards. Makes me so angry. We have a Grass Energy, Gym Trainer, Team Yell Towel, Floatzel, Q-Font, Grookey, Buizel, Yanma, Trapinch, Deciduous. Oh, that's a rare reverse holo, guys. And a holo Thieful. We aren't going to put the holos in the back because then we have too many cards in the back and we can't have that. Okay, on to the last Charizard packs. Carl?
Come on, Charizard.
Come on, Charizard. Is it just me or did we see Q-Font twice now? Maybe even 3 times. Here's the code and let's get into it. We turn it around and we have a Grass Energy, Gym Trainer, Team Yell Towel, Luxio, Q-Font for the 3rd time, Buizel, Spinarak, Shinx, Coughing, Thwacky, and Boss's Order. That sucks.
You don't like Boss's Order?
I absolutely don't, Carl. Thanks for asking my opinion. I feel like Pokemon kind of messed up when they added normal trainers as rares. I feel like they messed up there. Don't know about you guys, but guys, it almost looks like our only hits are gonna be our Indeedee and Yveltal. Unless.
Save the best for last.
Yes. We have a Water Energy, Cramorant, Rusted Shield, Eldegoss, Morpeko, Horsey, Spinarak, Rowlet, Morpeko. Just got double Morpekos, guys. A Rusted Sword. Oh. Well, that's sad, but kinda another Indeedee. Well, guys, that's the end of today's video, and hope you all enjoyed. Have a nice day. Bye!